seventh graders, and welcome to your first homework video. We are going to talk about transformations. That is what this lesson is about. So, notes. All of you were told to bring your journals home. We're going to take just short notes for you to write down in your journal so you do not forget. The title of your notes page is Transformations. Notes for journal. You need this. Please write it down. We will be checking tomorrow to make sure that it's in your journal. So the first type of transformation that we're going to talk about is a translation. Translation is when the figure slides and congruence is maintained. That means it stays the same size and it slides. We're going to look at some examples that you have on your handout later. But a way to help you remember this is slide in SL in translation. Number 2 is a reflection. Reflection is a flip or a mirror image. You look into the mirror, you see your image, and that's what a reflection is, and that's what we're going to do with some shapes. That's all the notes that you have to take. But you need to take out your handout that you took home today from class. So please take out the handout, Summary of Transformations, that you were given it today in class. We're going to do some example problems. The instructions tell you that the original figure, triangle ABC, has the coordinates listed here. So first we're going to go ahead and plot these coordinates and label. So A is 1, 1. So we're going to go start at 0, 0, and go to the right 1 and up 1 and put our point for A. Okay, now we're going to plot point B. And plot B is 3, 2. So we go over 3, 1, 2, 3, and up 2. And this is where B goes. Now we're going to plot point C, and point C is 2, 4. So we go over 2 and up 4. And put a point there for C. Now we connect our lines. And we have a triangle here for ABC. Now our instructions say that we're going to do a translation, which is a slide, and we're going to move 6 units left and 1 unit up. So you have to take each one of your points and count 6 units left and 1 unit up, starting with A. Moving to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's our new A prime. Now move B. Now we're going to translate B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1 unit up to the point B. Now we're going to translate C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 up, put a point. Connect our lines, and we have just translated triangle ABC to ABC prime. Okay, number 10, try on your own. Go ahead and plot A, B, and C first up here. And you're going to do another translation, 2 units to the right and 5 units down. Try to do it on your own and see how you do. Tomorrow in class, you better have it done. That's all I've got to say. So, take a look at number 11. We're going to do a reflection. We're going to plot the same points again that we did in the beginning up top. So A is 1, 1. B is 3, 2. across the x-axis, we have to look at our vertices, A, B, and C, and we're going to reflect across the x-axis, which is our horizontal axis. And if A is 1 unit from the horizontal axis of x here, and quadrant 1, when we reflect over into quadrant 4, A becomes 1 unit away here, where the point is. Now with B, you notice it's 2 points up from the x-axis. Now we're going to go 2 points down from the x-axis for our B prime. C is 1, 2, 3, 4 units up from the x-axis, and to reflect it, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 units down. And that's triangle ABC prime. Number 12 is a reflection across the y-axis from your original triangle, and you're going to do the exact same thing on your own. Pause the video, try it, see how you do. Okay, now we're going to take a look at number 13. Once again, we're going to use the same coordinates. So we're going to go over to the right, 1, up 1, that's our A. For B, we're going to go over to the right 3, 1, 2, 3, up 2, that's our B. For C, we're going to go to the right 2 and up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's C. Connect, we have a triangle. Now, it says a reflection across the x-axis. So, I already worked one reflection across the x-axis for you. We did it together. So, A prime goes here. B prime is 1, 2. So, I'm going to go 1, 2 down because I'm reflecting across the x-axis. B prime. C is 1, 2, 3, 4 away from the x-axis. Now, I'm going to reflect it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, there's my C prime. Connect my dots. And here's my triangle. Now, it says that we need to reflect that triangle across the y-axis. I'm going to change colors, and we're going to do that reflection. Now, looking at A prime here, it's 1 away from the y-axis. So, to reflect it, we have to put it 1 away across the y. Looking at B, it's 1, 2, 3 away. Reflecting it across the y, which is our horizontal axis here, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, put a point. C, 1, 2 away, 1, 2. And now this is our new triangle being reflected again. Try number 14 on your own. Pause the video and try number 14 on your own. Okay, moving on to number 15. There's a few things that you may have already recognized, but we're going to talk about it so it can help you remember when you're doing transformations to make sure you have the right coordinates. So on number 9, A, we went 6 units left and 1 unit up. And our original coordinates were given to us. Our x was 1, y was 1. 3, 2, 2, 4. And it was a translation, a slide. -5 were our new coordinates of our triangle that we grabbed. Now, the mathematical expression that we can look at here. For x, we went -6. So, x was -6. Our x here, -1, and it told us to go 6 units to the left, which is negative. We can just always remember, 1 was our original -6 because that went to the left, and if we work that out, it gives us -5, just like our new coordinate was. Now with y, we had to go 1 unit up, which is positive. So we can, our mathematical expression is y plus 1. And if you look at y, 1 plus 1, that equals 2. Moving on to number 10. Our original coordinates, once again, were 1, 1, 3, 2, 2, 4. Only using our mathematical expression, let's take a look at it. So x was 2 units to the right. So that will be x plus 2. And y was 5 units down. So that's y minus 5. Now, if we put in our original coordinates here, and we say x plus 2, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, that will give us 3. And if you go back and look at B on your coordinates, you would see that that rule is correct. Now, looking at 1 minus 5, 1 minus 5 is negative 4. Looking at B, 3 plus 2 is 5. 2 minus 5 is negative 3. And finally for C, 2 plus 2 is 4. And 4 minus 5 is negative 1. So for number 12, the original coordinates once again were 1, 1, 3, 2, and 2, 4. Our new coordinates were negative 1, 1, negative 3, 2, negative 2, 4. Now take a look at this. Original to image. Our original was both positive. X and Y were positive. On the image, we just changed the sign of the X. So if you can remember, when you're reflecting across the x-axis, the x-axis, oh shucks, I looked at the wrong one, so erase that. The original is positive, positive. The image will be positive for the x and negative for the y. So if you take a look at number 11, that I messed up on because y'all are walking into the room as I'm trying to do it, you will notice that the y changed values. Okay? Now reflecting across the y-axis. 1, 1, 3, 2, 2, 4. Our new value. A prime, negative 1, 1. Negative 3, 2, negative 2, 4. And I'm just taking these off of the figure that we already reflected. Now, the original to the image. The original x, y, those were positive, but this time we're reflecting across the y-axis. So guess what? Our x values change and our y stay the same. Indeed, our x value did change signs and the y stayed the same. Now you try to fill out number 13 and 14 before you come to class tomorrow, before you come to class tomorrow. And then we'll do an activity as soon as you get here and hopefully have a little bit of fun. This is Mrs. Charles speaking for myself and Mr. Sawyer. Quantavia, stop talking to me while I'm trying to do the video. Peace out.
Hey!